Hi, I'm Plumbing Girl, Garvin Sewer Services' friendly spokesperson. I wanted to briefly cover what you can expect from our service technicians during a call. First, they will introduce themselves to you and ask if you want them to wear booties and if where they are parked is okay. They'll ask where the problem is located and any additional questions to help them diagnose the problem. If applicable, they will conduct additional diagnostic tests to determine the problem. They will let you know what they're going to do, then go out to their truck to get their supplies. Their supplies include protective coverings, tools, and any equipment they need. Sometimes this takes more than one trip. We expect them to use stair runners, drop cloths, tarps, and rubber mats to protect your property as needed. They will perform their work and will test it, usually by running water. They aren't responsible for cleaning up any mess that existed prior to their arrival, but they will clean up their work area to the best of their ability. If you need a referral for a restoration company or cleaning company, please let us know. We're happy to help. Your technician will talk to you about what they did, what they found, and suggestions for future work. They'll explain your work warranty and have you complete the invoice. If you're happy with your technician, consider leaving them a positive review through the email survey or online on your favorite platform. If you aren't happy, please call the office so we can address any issues with the technician, management, or in the next training session.